Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make another version of lemonade. I got this book, Tasting History by Max Miller. I love his YouTube channel. I will link it down below. He goes and researches a lot of old recipes and he'll make them for you. And this is his new cookbook. It just came out just a little while ago. I got it when it came out. And I have been wanting to try this lemonade recipe. This lemonade is from France from 1651. And I will just pause that if you want to read that about the lemonade. We're going to follow his recipe. He'll take these old recipes and make them to where you can make them now. So we're going to follow this recipe. So I thought I'm going to film it. If you're interested, just keep watching. If you're not interested, I'm okay. Thanks for stopping by anyway. And so let's get started. Okay, the recipe calls for 6 small lemons and 2 small oranges. And I happen to have some oranges I needed to use up. That's another reason why I wanted to make this recipe. It calls for 2 pitchers. I have 2. We're going to follow the recipe directly, how it says. And there's my juicer. I have a bag I got from Temu to strain. I've got a quart of water here. And it calls for a cup of sugar. In my household, we sweeten with stevia. So I have a cup of stevia. Then I have my, here to grate the lemon. Is it grate half a lemon and half an orange and add that. And then I have something to stir it with. So we're going to start with that. Let me grab a knife. I think this knife right here will be fine. Okay, so let's get started. I think I'm going to go ahead and grate this lemon. It says you only need half a lemon, so I'm not going to grate a whole lot of this, I guess. I think that's probably pretty good for the lemon. And half an orange. So let's grate some of this orange. I am really excited to try this because of the orange juice in it. I can't wait to taste it. It smells good. Okay, I'm gonna stop with that. There we go. Now, let's start grating. Let's start cutting, and I think I'll put the juice in here. Can you see what I'm doing? I think you can. I'm going to go ahead and put this peel in here because I've got it all trying to work around it. Sorry, my arm just totally blocked you there. While I'm thinking about it, that little my little cutting board there is a Pampered Chef one I got a long time ago. But I'm going to be hosting a Pampered Chef party online through Facebook. I think it starts June 3rd. And if you're not friends with me on Facebook and you would like to be a part of my Pampered Chef party, then just leave a comment down below and I will leave a link to get to my party. It doesn't officially start yet. You can already order. But my Pampered Chef rep is my friend Bonnie. She's really sweet. She does lots of great giveaways, and so I would suggest waiting until the party starts and see what kind of goodies you might get. So, just an FYI. But if you would like to be a part of my Pampered Chef party, just leave me a comment down below. I love Pampered Chef products. They, when I got married, my wedding shower, one of them, my best friend Libby hosted for me, was a Pampered Chef party. And I got a ton of stuff. That's a great idea if you know anybody getting married, if you want to give them a wedding shower. Pampered Chef. That was back in the day though, when you didn't do it online, everybody went to you did it at someone's house. And you actually cooked something at someone's house. Finishing up with my lemon here. Come on. Try. Okay. Lay that aside, and I'm going to take my oranges. And I'm going to squeeze these by hand. A lot of juice here. Okay. And there we go. Now, I'm gonna wash my hands. I can't stand the juice on them. Alright, there we go. Now, let me see the instructions. It says in a large pitcher, we'll go with this one. Dissolve your sugar and your water. So let's add a quart of water. Stir it up. Now, okay, now all we do is we'll use this. I'm gonna roll this down a bit. This is a bag. I don't want to get in your way here with my arms. I'm gonna kind of push this down like this because we're gonna strain this juice. Can you see? Drain. Get all the juice out. Oh, I am so sorry. There I go with my hands again. Well, that doesn't make a whole lot of lemonade, does it? I'm going to grab a cup, a glass. Okay, I'm going to try some of this. I have huge ice cubes. Okay, this moment is truth. Let's try it. Oh my gosh, that is delicious. It's the perfect amount of tartness, and it doesn't taste like, you don't taste the orange. You just taste the lemon, but it just adds an extra element to it. Oh my gosh. Well, now I know I've got a new way to make orange juice. I got a new way to make lemonade. That's delicious. I highly recommend that. Wow. So guys, if you guys want to try it too, next time I will double it. That's a lot of lemons and oranges, but man, is that good. So guys, thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.